Welcome back everyone. In this video lecture series, we are going to learn electronics from basics, from these circuit elements to advanced custom PCB boards we can design by our own. So let's begin with simple electronic components. We all are familiar with resistors. Resistors are devices that opposes the flow of current. We will do a practical to see how it prevents our circuits in upcoming videos. And this one is capacitor, which stores electricity in the form of electric field, and this one is inductor, and this one stores electricity in the field of magnetic field. This one is electric field and this one is magnetic field. Both devices store electricity, and this one is resistor. So these three components can entirely build all type of electronic circuits and loads. So first I will begin with resistor. So we will see how a resistor work. So suppose before begin with resistor, I have to explain you what voltage and current is. So suppose you have voltage here. Suppose voltage is your father. No, voltage is your father, and when your father says you go to school, and you will say like, I don't want to go today school. This is your mood, like your mood is opposing here, so your mood is resistance. Like suppose your father saying you to go to the school and your mood is not going to school because the resistance, the mood, the resistance, and in such a way that you can't go to school because your mood become less and less, and you have less tendency to go to the school. Okay, now hope you it will clear. Let's take another example. You have pipe, you know most classic example, everyone will give it in such a way that everyone can easily understand what voltage, current and resistance actually is. So suppose water flowing from here in this way, and this one is less, less cross section area. The area of pipe in this section is less than these two. So what here happen, which is it opposes the flow of water. So this one is resistor here, and the pressure here, like the speed of water is volt. How much speed of the water here is the volt, and since now the resistor opposing the volt to flow through it, and it will also cause reduce current. We all are familiar with Ohm's law. What Ohm's law actually is, V is equals to IR. So when voltage increases, current will also increases if the temperature is not changing anymore. This is classic fundamental theory, but we will go through it, and let's see how these things work with our setups or our basic electronic elements. So till now we have a resistor. Understand, this is resistor and how this prevents overflow of current. This one is inductor. Inductor is basically simple wires with in such a way that forms a loop like circuit. In this way, this is inductor. This store electricity in the field of magnetic field, and this one is capacitor. Capacitor also stores, but in the form of electric field. So capacitor stores like this is our capacitor. This one is negative and this one is positive. If we see, this one is negative one and other one is positive. So these all are three basic components: resistance, capacitance and inductance.